Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is another video about this new software called MakeABox. But I'm going to try to answer two questions at one time. Somebody wanted to take my penny drop box and make it a 1/4 inch. The only problem is that this center piece, you'd have to change all these tabs, and it can be done, but I thought I'd do it on this box. So this is, well, let's just get our parallel dimension tool. And from there to there is your thickness of your wood. So it's 0.13, which is a little bit more than 1/8 of an inch wood. But if you wanted to cut this out of a 1/4 inch wood, set your nudge factor on 0.12, grab your shape tool, select your item, select all those outer nodes and just nudge them down, to the right. Nudge these up, nudge these to the left, nudge these to the bottom. And now it'll fit a 1/4 inch. And if you do that now, this one's a little bit more in depth because you've got two sets of nodes, but it's the same principle. We're gonna select all those and go that way, and select all these and go this way. That makes this piece quite a bit bigger, but it'll work. So just grab those nodes and left click, and now I'm gonna bottom arrow. So now this thing, if your joints fit for the 1/8 inch, it'll fit for 1/4 inch now. Now with that said, somebody made a comment on my box. I did not know what the padding was. The padding is the amount of inches between when it makes it. So let's go 0.5 and let's make an action, and then let's download the PDF. It takes less than 30 seconds, it's done. Then go up to save. Whoop, I don't want to print it. Go up to save and save it as, I'm going to call it MakeABox 4 and hit save. Now we'll go into Corel and we'll go to File, Import. MakeABox 4, it's right there. Import it. That's changing the text. Now my space between the pieces are a lot bigger, so I could grab it now if I wanted to, because we said before, once you ungroup this, you're gonna ungroup every little piece of this. So now it'd be a lot easier to combine it. I still like my way of using the Smart Fill tool, but that would be another way. And so that way they're further apart, so you can get them, you can get around them and just go to Control L. Grab this shape, Control L, and now it's all one piece. Now the only difference between this and the Smart Fill tool, it still doesn't, you have to touch the line. Where if you use the Smart Fill tool and you fill that in, now it's all one piece and you can grab it without touching anything. You can just grab the center and move it around. You don't have to be right there on that line. You could be anywhere. So try out that new free software. It's pretty cool. It's makeabox.io/#. And you can change it. You know, you can make your 1/4 inch box right here just by typing in 0.125 or 0.25. You could change your tab width. I still don't know what the stroke is, but it's pretty cool and it's free and it's pretty easy. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.